this video, I'm unboxing my Grove collaborative shipment for the month of May. If you want to see what I've got, stay tuned. Hi friends, it's Karen and welcome to the channel. Today I'm unboxing my Grove collaborative shipment for the month of May. Now, if you're not familiar with Grove Collaborative, I'll put the link to their website right down in my description box so that you can jump on over there and take a look around and see if you like some of their products. This is not a sponsored video. I just like, products from the Grove. They carry Mrs. Meyer's products and their own brand of products, Grove Collaborative. They deliver eco-friendly products right to your front doorstep. Products for your home, personal care products, baby products, and even products for your pet. I'll have that link down there if you want to jump on over there and see what they've got at the Grove Collaborative. Now, I've been with them for a while now, but I just don't get products delivered anymore every month. I may get products delivered maybe every 3 or 4 months now because we were getting just kind of overloaded with products and we had enough to last us for a long time. But I did decide to get a delivery for the month of May. So that's what I'm going to be sharing with you guys today. So I've got my box here from the Grove. I'm going to be opening that up. But before I get started, if you're new to my channel, welcome to the channel. This is a lifestyle channel. If you enjoy lifestyle content, I would love for us to stay connected. Hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell so you'll be one of the first to know every time I upload a new video. And if you're a returning friend, welcome back. Thanks for supporting me and this channel. All right, guys, let's jump into this Grove shipment for the month of May. Okay guys, I've unpacked my Grove box. I've got all the items right here on the table. So let me go ahead and show you the first item, which is the Method Daily Shower Spray in the, I think it's called the Lang Lang scent. At least that's what I call it. It's YLANG scent. I love this shower spray, especially after you've done your weekly shower cleaning, cleaned your bathroom, clean the shower. When you get out of the shower, just spray this all over and it gives it a nice fresh scent and it cuts down on the cleaning time at the end of the week when you do your cleaning or whenever you do your cleaning in your bathroom. But it's a plant-based cleaner, cleans without having to rinse. So I like to spray this after we get out of the shower each time. And like I said, it does, to me, in my opinion, helps to cut down on the cleaning when you do clean your shower, your weekly shower cleaning. It does help with that. I think they also have this shower spray in the eucalyptus scent, but I like this scent as well. All right, then I did order the Method body wash, and this is the Simply Nourish, which is the coconut, rice milk, and shea butter combination. Now, my favorite Method body wash is the green tea scent, but they were out of the green tea scent, so I did get this particular one, which I like as well, but it's not my favorite. But since they were out of green tea, I did pick this one up. But the Simply Nourish, the Method, it is definitely moisturizing, so I do like their body washes. And I first heard about this one, or this particular body wash, from my sister friend here on YouTube, Clarissa Coward, over at A Cozy Lifestyle. So thank you, Clarissa, for turning me on to the Simply Nourish. All right. Next item is the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Room Freshener Spray in the lavender scent. And I've never tried this before, so when I saw it online, I was, wanted to definitely order it and give it a try. It's made with essential oils. All right, so this is the lavender scent room freshener, non-aerosol. So you just spray it. It's got the pump. All right. Next item is the Grove hand sanitizer gel in the blood orange scent. I usually get the Mrs. Meyer's hand sanitizer spray, but they were out. So I decided to go ahead and try this, and I've never tried this one before, so this is a first for this one too. But it's the blood orange scent, and let's see what it smells like. So it smells nice and fresh. So I'm going to put a little bit on my hands. If it wants to come out. There we go. Alright, so yep, that does smell nice and fresh. So got some hand sanitizer. I only got one of these because I just wanted to make sure that I like the scent and everything. Alright, so next we have the Rooted Beauty Hydrating Hand Cream. And this is in the Rose Petal scent. First time trying this one as well. You know, with us washing our hands all the time, you want to make sure that you keep your hands moisturized. So let's go ahead and I'm going to see what this feels like. Smells good too. Rose Petal scent. Yep. All right, so this is good size to keep down in your purse. Just want to give your hands some moisture. All right, and then the next item is I ordered the lip scrub by Beauty by Earth. And this is the box that it came in here. And this is what it looks like. And it's a lip scrub. And you know, sometimes you need to just slough off the dead skin on your lips. And so I just wanted to give this a try. I hadn't tried it before, but it's a lip scrub. And the scent is vanilla. And they had some other scents as well, but I'm trying the vanilla this time. All right. So like I said, guys, I'll put the link to the Grove Collaborative website right down in the description box. And so go on over there and just, look around and see if there's some products that you might want to order and just see what they have to offer. But I do like the Grove. I do like the Method products a lot. So yeah, all right, guys, hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment below and let me know if you like shopping at the Grove, and if you do, what are some of the products that you like to order. All right, guys, thanks so much for stopping by today. And I hope that you guys are staying well, taking care of yourselves and taking care of your family. But I do appreciate you guys stopping by the video today, stopping by the channel today. Remember to always live your life to the fullest every day, and I'll see you guys soon in the next video. Thanks for watching.